Hello guys, welcome to Zia IAS. So today I'm here to make a very important announcement related to our sociology classes. See, I'm going to start 1 month, that means 30 days exclusive thinkers batch. And in this, I'll be talking about all the thinkers from paper one as well as paper two. So if you see paper one, 60% of your syllabus is related to thinkers. So once we are done with thinkers, once you're attending the session with me, I'll integrate almost all the topics with thinkers, whether it is a chapter on religion or the chapter on family or the chapter on politics and society, or even the chapter on social change or to an extent stratification, everywhere it is connected. So I'll try to integrate everything so that once you study thinkers, simultaneously you will be able to cover almost all these topics, at least the theoretical aspect. So that's how we generally do it. So this 30 days, you will be learning Karl Marx, Emile Durkheim, and then Talcott Parsons, Max Weber, and then Robert Merton and Mead. And from paper two, we will see the three most important thinkers, which is there in your chapter one, that is G.S. Ghurye, A.R. Desai, and also M.N. Srinivas, and most of their concepts. So this is what I'm planning for this 30 days. So the good thing is that this will be live session, and the session will be at 6 o'clock every day. You will be with me in the coming 30 days, and that will definitely improve your confidence. And it will be an interactive session. You will get opportunities to ask whatever doubts you have. So we will cover complete thinkers in this 30 days. So what you need to do here is, and the fees is 3,000. I'm keeping it as low as possible so that all of you will get, you might have seen me in YouTube and you might be attending my sessions. So this, I'm keeping it so low because I know most of you may not be able to join our complete program. So I'm giving you the thinkers at this low cost so that all of you can get benefit out of it. And we'll be starting tomorrow at 6 p.m. So join before that. Now, what you need to do for that is, I'll just show you what you need to do. Yeah, I'll just share the screen, guys, just 1 minute. Yeah, here you can go to the Zia IAS website. So that's our that's where you get the classes. So you can go to the website, or you can get it in the application itself. And in our course, you will find thinkers. There are many courses. So this is our complete sociology program. So that is something which we will be doing it later. So this is the thinkers program. You can just take this. The cost is 3,000 here. You can just take this. You can subscribe the course directly from here. Once you subscribe the course, immediately you will get access to all these recorded lectures, which you will get access for 2 years. Any number of times you can watch that. And whenever I update the video, it's a dynamic course. You'll get all the update in thinkers in that for the next 2 years. So that's for only for this 3,000. But more than that, 30 days you will be with me live, and that will definitely improve your knowledge, and you will be able to connect many areas, whatever is left out, whether you attended the classes at some other places or not. This is going to be a very interesting session for you, and 30 days will definitely improve your confidence as well. So I hope to see you in the session, and you can just subscribe it. And then you can let me know you will be added to the WhatsApp group. That's where you'll get the Zoom login details and everything. In case if you're not getting that after the subscription, just message me. My number is 9790-892-697. I repeat, 9790-892-697. So you will be added to the WhatsApp group, and you will be shared the link every day, and you will be able to attend the live session with me. And see you soon, guys.